What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to dive into the exciting world of candle making and show you how to start your very own candle business. Whether you've always dreamed of turning your love for candles into a profitable venture or you're simply searching for a creative outlet, I've got you covered. But before we get started, guys, I finally have an ebook for you guys on the candle business, and I go into deep detail on how to be successful in your candle business. So make sure you click the link below and you go to my website finally to get your ebook on how to start the candle business. And you already know, you see I got the dogs hat on. It's college football time, so it's go dogs all day, every day. Let's enjoy this college football season and NFL football season. So let's get into it, guys. Let's go. All right, it's Major from Ada's Dream, guys. But before we get started, please do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Please tune into my channel and make sure you click on the alerts so you can keep getting updates when I post a new video. So please go hit that like and subscribe button for me and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's get into it. All right, guys, the first step in your candle making business, research and planning. Before diving in, it's important to do your research and plan ahead. Start by identifying your target market and understanding their preferences. Explore different types of candles, scents, and designs to find your niche. Conduct product market analysis to assess the competition and determine how you can stand out. Create a detailed business plan outlining your goals, finances, and marketing strategies. Step 2, you want to set up your workspace. Very important. Now that you have a solid plan, it's time to set up your workspace. Choose a well-ventilated area with ample space for your equipment, supplies, and storage. Invest in quality candle making tools, such as wax melters, thermometers, molds, and wicks. Organize your materials and ensure everything is easily accessible. Safety should be a top priority, so you don't forget to have fire extinguishers and proper ventilation in place. Step 3, guys, sourcing materials and suppliers. To create a high quality candles, you need top-notch materials. Research and source suppliers who can offer premium wax, fragrance oils, dyes, and packaging materials. Consider eco-friendly options to cater to your growing demand for sustainable products. Maintain good relationships with your suppliers to ensure consistent quality and timely deliveries. Step 4, guys, creating beautiful candles. Very important. Now comes the fun part of creating beautiful candles. Experiment with different wax blends, scents, and colors to find your signature style. Explore various pouring techniques such as layering, marbling, and embedding. Don't forget about the importance of aesthetics. Invest in appealing packaging, designs, and labels that reflect your brand's identity. Remember, candles are visual products as well, so make sure your product looks as good as it smells. Step 5, pricing and marketing. When it comes to pricing your candles, you'll need to consider factors such as material, cost, labor, and desired profit margins. Conduct market research to ensure your prices are competitive yet profitable. Develop a marketing strategy to reach your target audience effectively. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your candles. Collaborate with influencers and run enticing promotions. Additionally, participate in local events and craft fairs to increase your brand's visibility. Number 6, to legally set up your candle business, you will need to follow these steps. The first step, choose a business structure. Decide whether you want to operate as a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Each structure has different legal and tax implications. So consult with a lawyer or accountant to determine the best option for your business. The next step, register your business name. Choose a unique name and your candle business and check if it's available. Register the name with your state or local government to ensure no one else can use it. Step number 3, you guys want to obtain necessary permits and licenses. Check with your local government as well to find out what permits and licenses you need to operate a candle business. This may include a general business license, sales tax permit, and any specific permits related to manufacturing or selling candles. Number 4, the next step, comply with health and safety regulations. Candles are considered consumer products, so you need to comply with safety regulations to ensure your candles are safe for use. Research the relevant regulations and make sure your candles meet all requirements. Step 5 in the business process, apply for an EIN. If you plan to hire employees or operate as anything other than a sole proprietorship, you need to apply for an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS. And the 6th step, set up bookkeeping and accounting practices. Keep accurate records, your income and your expenses to track your business financial health. Consult with an accountant to understand your tax obligations and how to properly manage your finances. And the next step, number 7, you want to protect your intellectual property. If you have any unique candle designs or brand elements, consider applying for trademarks or copyrights to protect your intellectual property. Remember, regulations and requirements may vary depending on your location. So it's important to research and comply with specific laws in your area. Consult with a legal and financial professionals. Will help ensure that you are meeting all the necessary legal and obligations for your candle business. And number 6, guys, provide excellent customer service. Last but not least, you want to provide excellent customer service to build a loyal customer base. Treat each customer interaction as an opportunity to create a positive experience. Respond promptly to inquiries, addresses, or any concern, and to go the extra mile to exceed expectations. Encourage customer reviews and feedback to constantly improve your products and services. Word of mouth recommendations are powerful, guys, so you want to make sure every customer has a memorable experience with your brand. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to start your own candle business. Remember, starting a candle business, it takes time, guys, dedication, and passion. But with the right strategies and your mindset, you can turn your candle business making hobby into a thriving enterprise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. Thank you guys for watching, and I wish you the best of luck. But before you leave, remember, I finally created the candle making ebook for you guys to go get right now. No, it's not free, but it's only $19.99. That's nothing. That is a couple of coffees per month that I made for you guys that will, in return, definitely for one, give you your money back and provide a substantial income in the candle business for you. So make sure you go down to the link below to my site at Ada's Dream and pick up the ebook that I worked so hard for you guys. You have contacted me and you've asked for one, and I finally have it. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. This is Major. It's Go Dogs. See you next time.